Dogecoin, Doge digital currency with deference, as Doge is the ideal illustration of what can be accomplished in the event that a cryptographic money has solid local area support. Brought into the world as a web image, Dogecoin shows how a basic joke might increment in worth and come to a $88 billion market capitalization. We've gathered realities about the Dogecoin example of overcoming adversity and gave Doge cost forecast. This video might give some data on the subject of financial planning. Yet it doesn't comprise venture exhortation. It is fundamental that you require the investment to completely assess your choices as a whole and do your own exploration prior to pursuing any venture choices. Like that, you can boost the possibilities procuring a benefit from your speculations and limit the probability of enduring misfortunes. What is Dogecoin? Dogecoin. Doge is a decentralized, open-source digital currency intended to work with the exchange of significant worth rapidly, proficiently, and safely. Made in 2013 as a great option in contrast to Bitcoin and other computerized cash projects, Dogecoin has been getting some decent momentum and prominence with many organizations across the globe who will acknowledge it as installment for labor and products. In late 2013, Adobe item showcasing Chief Jackson Palmer and programmer Billy Marcus concocted Dogecoin, an unexpected satire digital money. Crypto devotees later named it an image coin. The two set off to make the venture as crazy as could be expected, putting together it with respect to a well-known web image of a Japanese Shiba Inu Doge, saying boundless senseless expressions like many goodness, and such drained. Dogecoin is a fork of LuckyCoin, which is a fork of Litecoin, which is a fork of Bitcoin. The engineers picked the LuckyCoin code base since it offered an irregular block reward calculation in which diggers might get zero or in a real sense many free coins for making new blocks. Palmer and Marcus remembered this component for Dogecoin in the expectations that the irregularity will disturb Doge diggers and deter them from involving the token as an installment choice over the long haul. Be that as it may, only 1 month after the undertaking's presentation, the authority Dogecoin site got more than 1 million visits and before long acquired a sizable fanbase. One more of the odd choices made by the fellow benefactors setting a stock cap at 100 billion coins was to make Dogecoin ugly as a digital money so that it didn't become serious. Notwithstanding, this supply limit was ultimately cancelled to support the utilization of the digital currency and deter hodling. The tomfoolery picture of the crypto helped this image token to stand out in different web-based entertainment. The coin turned popular even external the local area of blockchain innovation fans. A huge figure Dogecoin's new flood in prevalence is the developing number of strong big-name advocates who reliably express their help for the digital money via virtual entertainment. The rundown of Dogecoin digital currency allies incorporates American rappers Sneak Home Slice and Lil Yachty, previous Jockey Green, Kiss co-lead artist Quality Simmons, Tiger Lord, Netflix series star Carol Baskin, and previous porno star Mia Khalifa. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of Dogecoin costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Dogecoin will be $0.119988. The most extreme level that the Doge cost can reach is $0.139986. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.129987. Likely return for capital invested, 60.9% by Doge value gauge for February 2023. In light of the value vacillations of Dogecoin toward the start of 2023, crypto specialists expect the typical Doge pace of $0.09099909 in February 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.0829917 and at $0.0939906 separately. Expected return on initial capital investment, 8% by WAC 2023. Dogecoin value gauge cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their figure for the Doge cost in WAC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $0.0909909, while the most extreme could reach $0.0969903 during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Dogecoin may be around $0.0949905. Possible return for capital invested, 11.5% by Doge value conjecture for April 2023. Crypto examiners have actually looked at the value variances of Dogecoin in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal Doge rate they anticipate may be around $0.0969903 in April 2023. it can drop to $0.0929907 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.09999. Possible return for capital invested, 14.9% by May 2023. Dogecoin value conjecture around mid-year 2023. The Doge cost will be exchanged at $0.09999 overall. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Dogecoin worth to $0.1099989. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.0979902 in May 2023. Likely return on initial capital investment, 26.4% by Doge value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Dogecoin costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023 $0.1099989. The least and pinnacle Doge rates may be $0.09999 and $0.1099989. Possible return for capital invested, 26.4% by July 2023. Dogecoin value estimate. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Doge cost will be around $0.1099989. In July 2023, the Dogecoin cost might drop to at least $0.09999. The normal pinnacle worth may be $0.1099989 in July 2023. Likely return for money invested, 26.4% by Doge value estimate for August 2023. Having broke down Dogecoin costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Doge rate could arrive at a limit of $0.1199888 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to $0.1099989 for August 2023. The anticipated normal of Dogecoin is almost $0.1099989. Likely return for money invested, 37.9% by September 2023. Dogecoin value gauge around mid-2023. The Dogecoin cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.1199988. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Doge cost could change somewhere in the range of $0.1099989 and $0.1199988. Likely return for money invested, 37.9% by Doge value conjecture for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Dogecoin worth won't dip under at least $0.1199988. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $0.1299887. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $0.1199988. Possible return on initial capital investment, 49.4% by November 2023. Dogecoin